social media is living, eating, breathing, mysterious, now, raw, powerful, your customers, revolutionary. In the next hour 700,000 more people will join Facebook. They will tag, post, view, share more than 1 billion pieces of information. If contents were burgers, Facebook would move 238 times the burgers McDonald's sell in a day. 65 million users access Facebook through their smartphones. If Facebook were country, it would be the third largest country. The average user spends about 55 minutes a day on Facebook, creates 99 pieces of content per month, is connected to 80 pages, groups and events. Twitter, who tweets 340 million times a day, Twitter has over 140 million active users, sending more than 44,481 tweets per minute, sending more than 64 million tweets per day. Lady Gaga, Justin Bieber, Britney Spears, has more Twitter followers than the entire population of Greece, Israel, Chile, North Korea, Sweden and Australia combined. Every second 2 new members join LinkedIn. That's like the entire enrollment of the LVY League joining LinkedIn every day. LinkedIn has more than 100 million users worldwide. 80% of companies use LinkedIn as a recruitment tool. Executives from all Fortune 500 companies are on LinkedIn. 2 new members join LinkedIn in every second. You would need to live around 1,000 years to watch all videos on YouTube. More videos are uploaded to YouTube in 60 days than the major US networks created in 60 years. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Every minute 72 hours of videos are uploaded on YouTube. If Wikipedia were made into a book, it would be 2.25 million pages long. Wikipedia currently supports 260 languages. The English Wikipedia has more than 3 million articles but not a single ad. Wikipedia's mission is to make all information in the world available in every language. Each day 20% of Google searches has never been searched before. We will no longer search for products and services, they will find us via social media, hence 93% of marketers use social media for business. The ROI of social media is your business will still exist in 5 years. Eric Wallman. Word of mouth. World of mouth. Babies in Egypt has been named Facebook and Twitter. Now that's revolutionary. Welcome to social media revolution.